Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the market itself and make my daily commentary about it. First off, I'm going to talk about the American markets and talk about the situation. So, in the weekend, Saturday's morning, the Israeli and the American jets are hitting Iran, and that caused a tension in the markets, and it made a little bit sell-off. It opened day with a sell-off, like a 0.7, 0.8 gap. Within that, the American market went down and went up. This market wants to make its way. This is the market just new yet open, so hard to say anything about it. But the situation in Iran is hitting the American bases and Israel, but there's not much they can do when their missiles is going to be end. There's not much going to be do with the Iran. By the way, I'm not supporting any of the sides. I'm just talking about the situation. I'm going to say this situation in Iran. Iran is very weak compared to the other countries, and within that there is not much catastrophic things going to be happen in the markets, because this is not going to be affect the American markets. Why is it? Because the America is way more miles away from the Iran, and it is in the America continent, so this is another continent. These companies are based in the America, so this is not much a problem in the American market at the moment. But within the tension, there's a little bit sell-off happened in the market, 0.5 at the moment. Well, with the global tension rise, gold hit to the double tap through the 5,400 levels, but I don't think it will be permanent. This was expecting, and this is not what all of a sudden happened. So this is not a shock. So the gold is not going up really much at the moment, and within that, I think this panic buy could be occurring over here. I cannot say anything very specific at the moment because we need to see the markets, but just be cautious about buying gold at the moment. If the gold was going to be the end the day like this and could be go to like the 5,600, it can do it. But if it's going to be go down, there is a negative divergence could be happen in the gold, and it will be make the gold price to go down to the 4,600 levels. So be careful about it. Same thing for the silver and platinum. Well, also the silver is sold at the moment, so be careful about the precious metals at the moment. With the cryptos, in the weekend, as you can see, it was when the war started, it was going down to $63,000. It was up through there. I was just watched it, and they were just liquidated. Who shorted when war just started, who got shorted is liquidated. I just watched it on my own eyes. So in the Bitcoin, this could be a bottom, but it's early to say it at the moment. Yes, I can't say you this is the bottom, because there's a strong evidences it can be a bottom. As you can see over here, the RSI level is in the weekly really much go down, and it is out of the Nader Watson level like in the 3 or 4 weeks. This Bitcoin could be make itself up to the 100 levels, because there is a lot of liquidity in the 100,000 levels in the Bitcoin. If it's going to be the go through there, short squeeze could be happen. If the price will be go up within the short squeeze, it can be go to like the $100,000. It can make it, because there's a lot of liquidity in the $100,000 level. Within all the tensions in the world, Bitcoin is not going down, so this is a threat. People can close their short positions within that. If they are going to be close their short positions, price will be go up, because they will be automatically buy it. It can make a trigger short squeeze. Same thing with the Ethereum, same thing with the XRP, because they are all the altcoins are following the Bitcoin. Monero is the same thing. We just have to wait. In this side, you can buy little bit of your money, like 25% or 30%. You can buy Monero at the moment. You can buy, because we are next to the dip, but maybe in the very dip, but we are close to dip. And I told you about my causes in the Bitcoin section. You can look through there. Also with the Fed, same thing. When the tension is gone, when the American market starts to go up really, they will be, because there is a lot of tensions, and markets won't going down in the American markets. And within that, when the tensions go off, the American markets will be start to make a new records, and within that new records, it will be start short squeeze in the American markets. Within the short squeeze, the American market will be go up really fast, and the main leaders of this going up rally will be the AI stocks. And when the AI stocks is going up, the Fed coin will be go up. So my opinion about it, maybe 10%, maybe 15%, or it's your call. Maybe you can buy Fed from here. So thank you for watching my video. See you all.